back to RamaKidz educational video. So today in this class I am going to teach you the phonic sound of alphabet P. Okay, and what is the phonic sound of alphabet P? That is P. P. Okay, so let's see some words with alphabet P. P for pencil, P, P, pencil. We all write using the pencils, right? P for pencil. P for pot, P, P, pot. Pot. Also we have in our house, we keep small plants inside the pot. P for pot. P for pen, P, P, pen. Pen is also used to write. Okay, teacher gives you star with the help of, yes, with the help of pen on your books. P for pen. P for pineapple, P, P, pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. It is yellow color from inside and it has a crown on its head. Okay, and what is the color of that crown? It is green in color. Can you see in the picture? It's a very juicy fruit. So the next word is P for pig, P, P, pig. Pig is an animal. Okay, you can see in the picture. And the baby pig is called as piglet. So today we have seen the phonic sound of alphabet P in this video, as well as we have seen different words with alphabet P. So what is the sound of alphabet P, children? Yes, correct. It's P. So in the next class, I'll be teaching you the phonic sound of a new alphabet. Bye-bye.